Ayan, na-obsess siya sa kanyang toys. Ayun yung toys niya, guys. Nilagay ko doon. Kasi titrick ko sana siya para tignan natin kung alam niyang hanapin yung kanyang toys. Pero ayan, oh. Binabantayan niya. Binabantayan ang kanyang toys, guys. Pagod na silang nag-walk. Ayan. Si April, oh. April. Come on. Relax. You can sleep. Lay down. Pang pang. Lay down. Lay down. Hala. Hala. Lapit natin. Oh, paano yan? Kunin mo na. Ayun. Kaya yan, tinatago niya yan minsan. Minsan di niya alam kung saan niya tinago yung toys niya. Kanya yung ginagawa. Diba? Ganyan lang. Nakasukbit sa bunganga. Exercise din ng kanyang teeth, guys. Yan yung kanyang nilalaro-laro para tumigas ang kanyang teeth. What do you want? Huh? What do you want, Apollo? Huh? Si April. Ganyan talaga pag matanda na. Muni-muni lang. Diba? Itong ano. Si Pango. Mag 2 years na. Mag 2 years old na si Pangpang. I think 2 years old. Mamaya itago natin yung toys. Tingnan natin kung mahanap niya. Come on. Give it to mommy. Give it to mommy. Come on. Mabango na si Pango kasi nagtaka-shower siya kanina. Pinaliguan ni Mami. Oh, ayan, oh. Allah. Pumapayat na ang pangpang namin. Good boy. Gumaganda din yung skin niya, guys. Diba? Good boy. Come on. Give it to mommy. Come on. Pang-pang, come on. Pang-pang. Come on. Pango, come here. Pango! Where are you? Where's your toy? Pang-pang! Pango, bring your toy. Good boy. Bring your toy here. Good boy. But no treat. No treat today. No treat today. Come on, give me. Give me. Inaamoy kong merong treat. Walang treat. Kaya wala. Ayaw niyang ibigay. Come on. Give me. Give me. Give. No treat. Okay? It's okay. No treat. Oh, your toy's clean. Mommy wash it, right? Mommy wash your toy, yeah? Come on. Give it to mommy. Come on. It's okay. No treat sometimes. Okay? Come on. Come on. Ay. No treat for now. Minsan tinatago niya yung toy niya para hindi kunin ni April. Come on, give me. Give me. Give me. Bring it here. Come on. Ayan, natututo na si Apollo. Natututo na si Apollo sa'yo, Pango. Come on, bring it here. Come on. Bring your toy here. Give it to mommy. Come on. Ay. Come on. Andito ulit tayo, guys. Ayan, meron tayong adobo dito na gagawin pang treat sa kanila. Pero hinugasan ko ito siya, guys, para hindi siya masyadong maalat sa kanila. So, kinat ko lang ng konti. So, andito sila ulit. Apollo, are you excited to learn again from Pangpang? In April, as usual, andito lang siya, naghihintay ng treat. Kawawang Pangpang siya ang taga, para mag-exercise ka na rin, okay? Para mag-exercise na rin si Pango. You guys ready? Just wait, I need to move this chair. I have to move that chair. Okay, not yet, not yet. Okay, you guys ready, huh? Ready? Go. Uminom pa siya. Napagod. Ayan, ang naghihintay ng aray. Ala, look at my skin na. Napagod ka na, Pangpang. Mainit kasi, guys. Ayan, para mag-exercise. Okay? Ayan. Good boy. Good boy. More. Go get the ball. Game. Your toy. Ayan. Get it. Good boy. Good boy. Ayan. Good boy. Aray. Very aggressive naman si Apollo. Hindi ka ginaganito ni Papa mo, no? Kaya, kung makakagat ng karne, kala mo pati kamay kakagatin. Good boy. Good boy. Apollo, you're biting my hand. Go. Ayan, ganyan namin ini-exercise si Pangpang everyday. Ala, ang laki-laking aso. Hala. Aso ng kapitbahay namin, guys. Ang laking aso. Okay. Good boy. Good boy. Good. Ow! Apollo, you're biting my hand. Inom ulit. Hinugasan niya. Ang galing naman ni Pango. Wow, good job. Ang talino talaga ni Pango. Hinugasan niya yung kanyang. He cleaned his toys. Yeah, good job. So I'm not gonna throw far so it's not going to the dirt. You're the one putting it there. You drag your toy over there. You make it dirty. Sit down. Good boy. Good boy. You're a smart dog. Aray. Ayupas. Apollo. You're biting my hand, Apollo. Apollo, I'm not gonna give you food if you keep biting my hand. Ganun ba kasarap yung ni tita? Takot na akong pakainin siya kasi bibigyan ng treat kasi kinakagat yung aking kamay. You're biting my hand, Apollo. I don't like it. Good boy. There you go. Ayan, ito. No more na. Wala ay meron pang isa. So, that is for you, Pango. Go. Good boy! This is for Pango kasi the last one is for Pango kasi siya ang naghihirap. Yeah? Okay, good boy. No more. No more. No more. Oh, wala na. Sabaw lang yan. Oh. No more. No more. No more treat, okay? That's enough exercise for you. Pang. You did a good job. Good job, Pango. Drink more water. No more. No more. Ganyan siya, guys. Pag meron siyang treat na alam, ibababa yung toys niya. Pero pag walang treat, ayaw niyang ibigay. Oh. Bye-bye. Say goodbye. That's enough. No more.